Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger online not showing. If you're using Facebook Messenger and you're facing the issue that online status of your friends is not showing, so let's see how can you fix that. You just have to open your Messenger app here and then tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner, then tap on settings option here, then select privacy and safety. Scroll down, you'll find an option of active status, select that and then enable this from here. Once you have enabled, your issue will be fixed and you'll get an active status of your friends. If your option is enabled but you're still facing the same issue, so it might be a network issue. You can easily fix it by fixing your network. Now to do that, you have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and you have to recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open App Store, go for search, and you have to simply search for Messenger. And you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Messenger app. If you find, try to update your Messenger app from here. After doing that, go back. And if your issue is still not fixed, open your settings app here, go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this fix. And after that, it will fix if there will be any network issue. If your issue is still not fixed, so it might be your app issue that there will be any bug or any malware on your Messenger app. Now to fix that, you have a simple way. You have to go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Messenger app here and try to offload app, or you can also try to delete apps. After offloading or deleting, you just have to reinstall app, and after reinstallation it will completely fix any kind of bugs and malwares into your Messenger app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.